Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So guys, for today's video I'll be talking about essential things every girl needs. So basically these are things that every girl needs and we actually don't realize that we need them, but we actually do need them. And these are things that I actually use on a daily basis in my life. So I think it's very important to share this with you guys so that you also get them if you don't have them till now. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing is facial wipes. These are the facial wipes from Body Wash, the tea tree facial wipes that I use. So basically facial wipes is essential for every person, especially the people who go to colleges for their work and school. We keep on sweating all the time and every time we cannot go to the washroom and wash our face. So this is something that every person needs because you can just take it out of your bag, wipe your face. If your makeup is getting removed because of the sweat, remove your makeup, and this is something that is a lifesaver for every. Okay, so the next thing is a compact. This is the compact from Chanel that I use. So basically I feel that compact is something that should be in every girl's handbag, because whenever we are outside from our home, we can do our touch-ups anywhere and everywhere we want to, because obviously we need to fix our makeup at least 2-3 times in a day. And secondly, the people who do not like to put a lot of makeup on their face, they should definitely have a compact because it helps to get rid of all your imperfections. At the same time, you do not put a lot of makeup on your face. Okay, so the next thing is a facial razor. This is the one that I use from Vega. So I personally believe that every time you want to get your upper lips and eyebrows done, you don't have to rush to the parlor. You can just use your facial razor. And there are so many emergency plans that get made. You have to go for a party or a lunch, and the plans that get made at the end moment. So this is something that helps you at that time. And secondly, I feel that this is something which is very handy and every girl should. So the next thing I want to talk about is a small size perfume or a pocket size perfume. This is the one from Cartier that I use. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. So I personally believe that a pocket size perfume is very important for every girl, because we girls love to smell really good. You should have a small size perfume in your bag because you can just spray it any time of the day. It does not take a lot of space in your bag, and at the same time, you know, it is very handy. This is how my perfume looks. It's like this. It's a very small bottle, comes with a very classy cover, and yeah, I feel it's very handy. And yeah, I mean, why do you want to smell good for a small period of time when you can smell good then? Next thing that I want to talk about is a hand sanitizer, paper soaps, and disposable toilet seat covers. So basically, I want to talk about a hand sanitizer. We know how bad the situation in India is and in the world is due to COVID, and not only because of COVID, it is always very sensible to carry a sanitizer in your bag. So this is a small sanitizer that I carry. Secondly, paper soap. So basically I'm in college, so I do carry a bottle of paper soaps in my bag so that, you know, I can wash my hands whenever I can. And I mean, you know, they just take a very small space in your bag, maintain your hygiene. Thirdly, disposable seat covers. I do not like to use washrooms that are shared by people. So either you can carry wo jo P-Safe ka bhi ek aata hai, the sanitizer, the toilet seat sanitizer, or you can carry the disposable covers in your bag. You just have to put it on the toilet seat and then you can just throw it. Thing is an underarm roll-on. This is from Nivea. Actually, basically I use a men's one because I mean, I do not like the fragrance of the female one. I really love this one's fragrance, so I use this one. And secondly, the Nivea white one, it is, I personally believe that essay products that, you know, make your underarms white, they actually end up darkening your underarms. So this is a safer option and I like its fragrance also. And this is one thing should always be in your bag and also at your place, because you should actually buy two and keep it one jagah pe, because whenever you're traveling or you're somewhere, you keep on sweating, so that you can easily take it out, roll it on and get rid of the sweat. And secondly, ghar pe bhi. Guys, so the next product I want to talk about is the lip balm. I use my all-time favorite lip balm, that is from Sebamed. This is the one that I use. So I believe that lip balm is one product that every girl should have. Just like your face and your body, your lips also need that extra hydration and moisturization. And we often think your lips dry over, so we'll just lick them off and sahi ho jayega. No, that is not how it works. Your lips do need that extra moisture and hydration. And try to use the lip balm with SPF. This one has SPF 30, so it protects you from the UV rays also, and it's a very important. Okay, guys, so the next product that has recently started using are oil absorbing sheets. These are the ones that I got from Miniso. So basically, whether you have oily skin or you have dry skin, whenever you have makeup on your face, or even if you don't have makeup on your face, bare skin also, after a certain period of time, after 4-5 hours, you start sweating. Like you can see, I have oil on my face. So rather than just using wet wipes and removing all of your makeup, you can get these oil absorbing sheets. Some people call it blotting paper. papers or I think something like that. They have different names, I don't know exactly, and they help you to get rid of the extra oil. I'm just going to show it to you guys kaise. So these are the papers and you can just dab dab dab, and see, you get rid of the oil and it comes on the sheet and you can just dispose it off. This packet has 8 product I want to talk about is the loofah which comes with a stick. So this is how it looks. This is from Vega. Many brands have such loofahs, but the reason I use the one from Vega is because this stick is wooden and is not plastic. One reason why I use this type of a loofah is because you can easily hold it and you can clean your body, and you can reach the parts like you can clean your back and rub your back easily. If you use a bare loofah only, सिर्फ एक छोटा सा loofah, you can't reach your back and the end of your back. So with this you can clean your entire body with a lot of ease, and yeah, I mean, it's a very important product. Okay, so the next product I want to talk about is cotton pads. I basically have a pack of these square cotton pads that I got from Miniso. So cotton pads is very essential. Every time you want to use your toner, you want to clean your face, remove your makeup, you need cotton pads. And I personally believe that rather than using वो जो cotton के बड़े बड़े वो आते हैं, I don't know what to call it, वो जो cotton आती है, cotton pads are more handy and more sorted, and you can just clean it, and cotton जो है तोड़नी पड़ती, ये करनी पड़ती. These are square shaped, more handy, more aesthetically pleasing, and I think they're very cute. And this one, it just retails for rupees 150 and it has how many cotton pads? 180. So I mean, it is not expensive also, and still nice. So the last thing I want to talk about is a hair wrapping cloth. So basically whenever we have, especially the girls who have long hair, जब भी we have wet hair, we take a towel, we tie it, and ऐसे करके we keep it. So this one, I'm just gonna put a picture on the side to show you how it is exactly. It basically comes with a button and you can easily wrap your hair around it and put the button, and it is a microfiber cloth, so it dries up and then you can easily just wash it, and ज़्यादा गीला भी नहीं होता, and you can reuse it very easily, and it makes drying your hair more easy and more sorted, because every time you use a towel, वो कभी यहाँ से पानी गिरता है, कभी यहाँ से पानी गिरता है. इसमें वो चीज़ नहीं होती. Your hair just get tied up easily and dry up very faster and more easily. So yeah.